Hey guys, it's me, Jason, again. Sorry for the long hiatus. I did upload like a re-upload of one of my old videos. Anyway, sorry, I had to attend my mother's funeral. She died around a week ago. I took a little off time to myself. Had to bury her, you know, the whatnots. Anyway, today I'm going to make a short fishing video. Hold on, I got some of my rods over here. Ow! I broke the fishing rod. You know what? I only need one half of a fishing rod anyway. Hold on. Let me get some baling twine. I can probably fix it. Alright, hold on. Let me just fix it, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I managed to fix the fishing rod. I broke another part of it, but I'll just have to like dangle it a little bit with the baling twine. So next up, I need some bait. Luckily, I found the perfect bait for here. Sorry, I have the perfect bait. A couple weeks ago I hatched some peeps, so I got some eggshells. For some reason, my trout that I have, they actually love eggshells. So I'm gonna go down to the stream, put some eggshells in my pocket, tie them up, and we're ready to go. Alright everyone, I'm down here by the creek. It's pretty actually. I just got done taping the eggshell onto the end, as you can see there. It's not getting in focus. I hate when my camera does this. Anyway, alright, so I think we're about ready to start fishing. Alright, so gotta be very quiet. Oh, what the hell? This isn't working. What the? Get in it! Why isn't it going in the water? Guys, I don't think the bait's working. It's not sinking. Now I added the rock to the end of the stick. I'm going to try to cast it again. Alright, it's in the water. Oh, the rock fell off. Oh. Oh, there's one. Hold on. Well, I have some bad news. I broke the fishing rod again. It's not really. I broke it. That's my dog, Baker. Look at you, Baker. Creek for y'all to enjoy. And yeah, I guess that's the end of the video. Sorry that I didn't catch anything, sort of a bust, but at least I got to spend some time by the creek. Bye!